I feel wonderful.
I heard you were redoing the bathroom.
Yeah.
Good job. That's why you're not wearing your ring. We all know that.
Right.
We've been informed.
And we know that your anniversary is next month. 1 year on Wedded Bliss. Congratulations.
You're gonna eat the frozen cake?
What's the secret?
What's the... I want to know the secret.
Paul, do you know the secret?
For what?
You've been married blissfully for 1 year.
Because he still happily likes to fix the bathroom.
Is
What?
that why you're fixing the bathroom?
A happy wife is a happy life.
Wow.
Ah.
Paul is from Poland. And his name is Paul Bach. Bach. How do you say it?
I like Pablo better.
Bach?
I like Pablo.
And it's double V, but it's
You
pronounced
would.
double
I think we'll call him Pablo. Pablo.
I'm lying.
Kinda.
I know nothing about
Oh, it's so hard. He goes, no me gusta.
I said no, my goose.
Say.
Oh. No, I didn't. Did I say
You
it?
say it.
Did I say it? Wait, what did I say?
No me gusta.
Yeah, does that mean I don't like it?
Yes. No like it. Don't slap your jeans at me, honey.
This is not going to be funny watching this tomorrow.
Else, yeah.
Because
It's gonna be even funnier on Facebook. What are you talking about? I'm looking at my
No.
phone.
And I can't even see it.
Yeah, I know.
No.
See, this is why you need to get on Facebook.
This is what happens.
Like stat.
Yeah.
Yes.
The doctor said. Stat.
Say. Say
The doctor.
Say Dr. Love.
Dr. Love. Dr. Love needs a checkup.
Say Dr. Love. Is
Dr.
What
Love.
about the pictures up there?
Are they upside down? Because you have a problem with things that are upside down. What? I'm not. What?
You're lying.
She's probably gonna put more on the bottom there. Because she knows what they are. So go look at it.
I just said Poppy. Pablo. Poppy.
She's probably gonna put more shit under there.
Poppy. Smell like apples.
What?
You're ridiculous.
Smell like apples.
No? What does it smell like?
I don't look at her.
I used to get a pizza to go and bring it home to watch TV. Now, I go out for pizza.
She gets her asshole.
He totally just got
You put this on Facebook.
Just go to Optimum.
You will be murdered.
I'm just.
And I will be in jail. You will all be on film.
I'm texting.
TV show.
Full of shit coming out of your ears.
Doctor bullshit.